Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about my water filter system and what I use and how I use it. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Thanks. So here is my water filter system. It is the CNOC Vecto Outdoors 2-liter water bag. And with it, I got the Sawyer Squeeze water filter, and then I just got some hose that I just picked up. It's got two adapters for the Sawyer Squeeze, and you can attach the hose to the adapters. So let's see how it works. First off, the CNOC Vecto water bag, to fill it, it's got this easy, you just pull this, wrong way, pull it the right way, pull this off, and it's got this flap that folds over. It's got these creases. This slider just helps hold it all in, and it opens up nice and wide, and you can easily scoop out water. Now the bags that come with the Sawyer aren't that great. They don't have the big wide opening. It's just got the end where you connect the Sawyer to, and you have to fill up water through there. But what I like about this is the big wide mouth. You can easily scoop up water. So let's go get some water. Okay, so just a couple scoops out of the lake. And there you go. That's full of water. Just fold that over. Slide the slider through, and you got water. So now I got my dirty water here, and flip it over, and then you screw your hose end on here, and there you go. Now what you want to do is hang it from a tree or somewhere, so that let the gravity do the work. Capped at this spot. There's this nice little, there's a board here with like a hook in it. Just hook it up over there. Now what you want to do, you got to prime it first. So you can take the, unscrew the Sawyer off of here. Now what you want to do is hold it up above the bag and bring it down. You can see the water going through. You probably can't see it on camera, but the water's going up through there. Just when it gets right to there, boom, starts coming out, and you screw it on. All right, then I got Zeta's water bowl here. She needs to fill up. So then you just got this cap on there. You just pop open the cap, boom, done. Got clean filtered water. And this is Lake Superior water. You pretty much don't really need to filter it. I do quite often, because a lot of times you get stuff floating in it. But I'll show a little video here from another hike I did with it. Pretty dirty water. So that's it. Now watch, look at that water there. And you squeeze it through the Sawyer Squeeze, and look how clear that is. Just look at how nasty that water is. It's from a puddle. And that's what it's filtering to. I gotta fill up a bottle for myself and some more for Zeno. That is my water filter system. That's what I use. Always works well for me. So if you have any comments, if you have any experience with the Sawyer or the CNOC Vecto, please just drop a comment down below. And thanks for watching. See you next time.